Hey guys, welcome back to the channel VOGUENYOG. So in this video, we are going to cover various hacks that everyone needs in life. So without ado, let's get started. क्या आपका नेल पेंट रिमूवर भी बिना बताए ख़त्म हो जाता है? लेकिन नेल पेंट रिमूव करना तो ज़रूरी है, तो मैं परफ्यूम यूज़ कर लेती हूँ। कैसे? Let's see. Grab some cotton and spray some perfume on it in the same quantity as you would do with the nail paint remover. Then spray some perfume on your nail paint as well. Then cover with the cotton and leave it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you would see that your nail paint is completely removed. है ना बढ़िया जुगाड़? I know it also irritates you that when you apply your nail paint, it gets to the side. और जब हटाने जाओ तो ये हो जाता है. So here's a simple hack using Vaseline. हाँ वही Vaseline जो ख़त्म होने से पहले गुम जाती है. Take some Vaseline and apply it on the sides of your nails and remove if there's any on your nail. Now go on applying your nail paint as freely as you want and let it dry completely. After drying, use some cotton and clean off the sides, and you will see that there are no remains of the nail paint. Winter season brings dry skin too, but this season, enjoy soft and supple hands using one single ingredient. Yes, you heard it right, just one ingredient. And that is coconut oil. I cannot emphasize enough how coconut oil improves your skin texture. Apply coconut oil generously as many times as you can in a day, and you will immediately see and feel the difference in your hands within a day or two, I promise. And let me know in the comment section if you want to see a separate video on this. ऐसा होता है ना कई बार कि यार ये वाला शेड क्यों नहीं है मेरे पास, या फिर कोई लिपस्टिक टूट जाती है और वो किसी काम की नहीं बचती. So let us put it to use today and make our own customized nail paint. Scoop some lipstick out using a toothpick and mix it with some transparent nail paint. Use an old brush to mix the nail paint because obviously you don't want to destroy this one. And voila, your nail paint is ready. कोई कह सकता है ये खुद बनाया है. Having chipped nail paint is an all-time problem for all the girls out there. Fix it in seconds using a glitter nail paint. Dab a considerable amount of glitter paint on the areas where the nail paint is chipped, and you will have a beautiful and an effortless nail art in a minute. I just love how it gives me kind of a glittery stone effect. Do you also have short nails but definitely want these long nails? Here is a simple DIY nail soak. All you need is a big lemon, 2 garlic cloves, honey and coconut oil. In a bowl, squeeze out the whole lemon. Add some chopped garlic, or you can even squish the garlic. Add in a tablespoon of honey. With it, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and mix it well. Now soak your nails into this mixture for about 10 minutes. Do this daily for about a week to see a major nail growth. Finish off your routine with a hand cream. Remember to massage your hands properly while massaging your cuticles as well. And you will see a major difference in your nails. Want matte nails but don't have a top coat? Don't worry, here's another desi jugaad. बस कोई भी चीज़ इतनी तेज़ गर्म करनी है कि उसमें से स्टीम निकले. And we are going to use this steam to mattify our nails, if that's a word. Place your hand at a distance above the steam for about 10-20 seconds and be careful to not burn your hands. And there you have your matte nails without even a matte nail paint. I can truly understand the pain of a broken nail. इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि वो टूट गया, मगर इसलिए क्योंकि उसकी वजह से बाकी सब काटने पड़ेंगे. But not anymore. And all that you need is a green tea bag. Remove the tea leaves to get your hands on the green tea bag. Now cut the small piece of a green tea bag according to the area of the broken nail. Use nail glue, and in case you don't have that, you can use a transparent nail paint. Apply the glue on the area of a broken nail and stick the green tea bag piece. Adjust it using a filer or a toothpick and leave it to dry. Now to have a smooth layer, buff the area for a smooth finish. Now there you have a perfect nail again. So hope these were helpful. Do try them out and review them in the comment section. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. See you next time.